heard a while back, it's better to get better than it is to get bigger. It's kind of where we've gone.
Todd Fornstrom knows that agricultural success today demands attention to every aspect of farming, adjusting his crop rotation to ensure good yields, providing an adequate supply of foodstuffs for his feedlot operations, paying attention to market conditions to keep production profitable.
We try to stick with the forage crops. We grow corn for silage, alfalfa, and then to help with our rotations, we grow hard red winter wheat and dry edible beans, pinto beans.
Todd and his family run a diversified farming operation just outside the small town of Pine Bluffs, Wyoming. Key to their operation is 3 feedlots, handling cattle and sheep heading to market.
What we have behind me is the sheep feedlot. Its capacity is somewhere between 30 and 35,000 head. With the cattle, its capacity is between 2 and 2,500 head, depending on the size of the cattle.
Meeting the demand for a high-protein feed on that number of animals requires the family to keep an eye on the bottom line. In this case, growing alfalfa, harvesting the hay, and processing it into pellets.
They go straight into the feedlot. We pellet between 8,000 and 12,000 tons a year.
On this hot and sunny afternoon in July, Todd and his crew were finishing up their harvest on a field of alfalfa. Once harvested, the alfalfa is hauled to a mill, part of a process that optimizes crop production to facilitate sustainable farming.
We try to harvest all of our own. We use our own crops, so we don't have a lot of transportation when it comes to our forage.
Todd will tell you it's a labor of love that began with his grandfather, who raised potatoes on this land in the 1930s. When Todd's dad took over the farm, he began the extensive feedlot operations that exist today.
I live in the same house I grew up in. It's a good place to raise kids. There's a lot of freedom out here. All the kids, they learn quite a bit, from anything from livestock to animals to farming.
As for the next generation, Todd hopes they enjoy farming just as much as he does.
I never really call it work. And most people ask me what I do for work. I don't work. I just enjoy being in agriculture, being in farming. All of it's fun.